See, in this question, what we can do, first of all, you should know the formula for the open loop gain. Okay, if they ask you the open loop voltage gain, if they didn't give you any unit, then the formula is simple, that is V out by V in. But if they give a voltage, open loop gain, voltage gain in decibels. Okay, as you know, decibels is denoted by dB. It's not minus, it is 20 log V out by V in. Similar is the case with the current gain, and similar is the case with the power gain. Okay, this is the open circuit loop, open loop gain basically. If they ask you R out, output resistance, then what is the formula? That is V out by I out. V out is the open circuit and I out would be the short circuit. Okay, so let's move to this numerical. In this what they said output voltage means V output is how much, 2 volt, and then they said input voltage means V in it how much, 400 micro volt. Micro means 400 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Calculate the value of closed loop voltage gain. So that is A, that is represented by gain CL for the closed loop. The formula for that would be also V out by V in. This one I told you for the open loop, and this is also same for the closed loop. Okay, so if you want to calculate in decibel, like this one, you can get it 2 divided by 400 into 10 raised to power minus 6, that you will get in 5000. Okay, but if you want to calculate gain in decibels, okay, so for that, what would be the formula? 20 log of V out by V in means 20 log of 5000, and 20 log of 5000, if you'll solve it, then you will get 74 decibels. Okay, so that the depend